Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Loopla Crochet Studio. I'm Nella. In my previous video, I showed you how to make a slip knot, which is normally the first stage of crocheting. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the foundation chains. So let's begin. What you'll need today, you need some yarn and a crochet hook. And actually, you could go back to my previous video and you will see how to make a slip knot. So now that we have our slip knot on the hook, let's start the foundation chain. Hold the hook in your right hand like a pencil. With your left hand, hold the yarn. Keep the yarn tail out of the way and bring the working yarn over your left index finger to create a little tension. Turn the hook so it faces you. Scoop from back to front. This is called a yarn over, and pull that through the loop that is already on the hook. That is your very first stitch. Now you could go ahead and do it again. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Keep repeating this motion over and over. Pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over. Each time you do this, you are adding another chain stitch. Try to keep your loop even, not too tight, not too loose. Count them out loud if it helps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you have got the length you need, you are ready to start your first row of stitches. In my next video, I'll show you how to turn and start your first row of stitches. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more beginner crochet tutorials, and check out the playlist in the description to follow along step by step. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.